Hello everybody, welcome to Decker's Handcrafted Designs. Today I'm going to show you a video on our pool fountain.
Alright.
Yeah, today we're going to show you our pool fountain in case anybody was wondering about it. It's a pretty simple design. I'm going to have Braxton here show us how to turn it on and off so you can see how it works. Here's our pool fountain. Braxton's going to turn it on for you real quick. Our pump's pretty powerful, and it'll shoot clean across the pool. Pretty simple design. 1.5 PVC. Got 2 caps on the end for the T and the elbow. Comes down and have a valve. From there, just come to another elbow to the T. This is off of our jet. The holes. We have 12 holes, 6 on each side, 1/4 of an inch. Turn it down a little. There's a couple benefits by having a fountain like this. One, it's cheaper than buying one. The second is, when you have your fountain on like this, after a while it will gradually raise the pH on your pool by aerating the water like this. Churning your water will help raise pH. And it puts off a pretty cool effect at nighttime when we have the LED lights in too. Okay, we're up on the deck now. Just in case anybody was wondering how to make a fountain for your pool. Pretty simple design. It probably cost you $20, $25 to make one.
Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications. Bye!